Good morning, children. Today we are going to do the grammar part of the lesson, A Birbal Trip to Heaven. I hope everybody has read the lesson, and in the last class I have told you to write the who said to whom. So in today's class I'll be giving you the question answers, so you people are going to write in your notebook, and we'll be going to do the exercise, the grammar part of this lesson. So the first and the most thing what we are going to learn today is AI and AY words. So what are these AI and AY words? See children, in each chapter we are learning some sounds of words. Understood? Like we have told double E sounds, then EI sounds, all those types of words we are learning. So here also, what is this AI and AY sound, AY words? Here the words which have, for example, see here, way, delay, day. See here, I'll explain you here. Way, delay, day. Here we have all AY sound words. Here we have all AY sound words. See here, way, AY, delay, AY, day. So all this pronounced as AY sounds. AY, it is pronounced as AY there. Understood? When we say of the AY words, the sound is also like AY pronunciation. So here, even the next thing, if I say here, see the word here, again, AGAIN, again. Here we have AI words, AI letters. If I say entertain, entertain, again here we have AI letters. Even this AI, again, here also we have a AY pronunciation. Understood? Entertain, tain, Y. Understood? So again here also we have AY pronunciation. AY words or AI letters also have as AY pronunciation. AY letters are also having AY pronunciation. See here, when you hear the AY sounds in the beginning or the middle, then spell the word with AI. So when we hear the AY sounds in the beginning or at the middle, spell the word with AI. For example, rail, rail. See here, for example, if I say here rail, here we have AI letters, rail, A. Again we have AY pronunciation. Understood? At the beginning or at the middle. Understood? Now for example, if I say here mail, MAIL, again here we have the AY pronunciation. Understood? So now look here, when you hear AY sound at the end of the word, when you hear the AY sounds at the end of the word, these are the end of the word, then these also spell as AY. They are also having AY pronunciation. For example, I told you here, way, delay, day, pray, stay, lay, all these are having end AY words. So they are also having AY pronunciation. Now see here in your textbook, children, page number 107. Open page number 107. Complete the following words using AI or AY. See here, they have given you here. You can see the picture in your textbook there. I can show you here. Complete the following words using AI or AY. See here, they have given you so many pictures here. So you have to use in which word we can use the letter AI or AY. You can see the first picture. By seeing the picture only we can find out the letters there. The first one is snail. 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 What it is? Snail. Here we are having AI letter. Next one, waist. 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 We say na waist. Our body part we say here. They are showing the arrows also. This is waist. Again we have here AI. Understood? In the middle or the starting we have AI. The next one, birthday. You can see here birthday. AY comes in the last, that is birthday, AY letter. Rain, RAIN, rain. Again AI letters in the middle. So the next all are homework, children. So find out the word where we are going to use AI letters or where we are going to use AY letters. So page number 107. Page number 107 is homework, children. Page number 107 is homework. So look at the word, look at those pictures and find out where you can use AI letters and where you can use AY letters. AY letters always come at the end, children. AI letters come in the middle or at the starting also. Understood? And it has a AY pronunciation. The next thing here, today we are going to learn about the compound word. So what is this compound word, children? What is this compound word? Do you know what is this compound word? You have been learning from your first standard also. When we join two words, we get a one meaning word. We get a one meaning. For example, if in your lower classes you have learned sun plus flower. See, these are two different words. These are two different words. When you join these two different words, we get one compound one, that is sunflower. What you get here? Sunflower. Understood? When we join two words, we get one compound word. What is compound word? Compound words are made up of joining two separate words. They are made up of joining two separate words and they give a new meaning to that word. Now, for example, if I say one more thing here, yes, butter plus milk. If I add two words, butter, you know what is butter? Butter plus milk. What compound word you can make here? Buttermilk. The new one word we get, buttermilk. What is buttermilk? You know, na? In Hindi you say chash, in Kannada you say majagi. So that is a new word. When you add butter plus milk, we get buttermilk. One more I can say you. Yes, anybody who can say so many compound words, you know, children? Anybody there? Okay, see here again. Rain plus coat. Rain plus coat. Raincoat. What you get there? Raincoat. You wear raincoat during your rainy season, right? Raincoat. So like that, let us see in your page number 108 in your textbook, children. Page number 108. Match the words in the column to create compound words. Match the words. They have given you column A, column B. Now let us match the words and make a new compound word. Let us see that, children. Open page number 108. Now see here on the board, children. I have written the words here. You can see the first side they have given you arm, fire, table, butter, coat, back, skate. In the other side they have given you pack, yard, board, work, milk, spoon, chair. So you have to match and make the word. Now first one, if I say here arm plus chair. Armchair. What is armchair? You can see here we rest very nicely. The chair which has an arm, the chair which has a handle, we say arm, right? So arm plus chair is armchair. That is a new compound word. You have to write there armchair. Yes, understood. Next one, fire plus, what you can write? Fire plus work, firework. What is firework? The crackers we say na, fireworks. When the festival times we burn the crackers, they are also called as fireworks. What they are called as? Fire plus work is called as fireworks. Next one, table plus spoon. Tablespoon. We say tablespoon, right? Teaspoon, tablespoon, table plus spoon. So what you are going to match here? Table plus spoon, tablespoon. Okay. Butter plus milk. I told you that time only. Butter plus milk, buttermilk. This is compound word. Joining two different words, we get a one word which has a meaning. Butter, milk. Next one. Courtyard. What is courtyard? The front part of your house, we say na? Courtyard. What it is? Court plus yard, courtyard. Courtyard. Next one. Bag plus pack. Backpack. We have already learned this word in the last lesson. What is backpack? We carry some heavy load on our back. That is backpack. Backpack. Okay. Next one. Skate plus board. Skateboard. When you do a skating, the skateboard we say, that is on which you do the board. There has a board there. That is skateboard. Skate plus board, skateboard. So skate plus board, skateboard. So by joining two different words, we get one word, that is compound word. Armchair, firework, tablespoon, buttermilk, courtyard, backpack, and last one is skateboard. Understood, children, how we got the compound word there? Now let us see the same thing in our workbook. Open your workbook, children. Page number 47 in your workbook. Page number 47 in your workbook. See, children, read the statement and write if they are true or false. That is homework, children. Homework, true or false, you have to do homework. I am not going to tell you true or false. You have to read the lesson and you have to only find out which statement is true or which statement is false. See, children, homework, true or false. True or false. Page number 47 in workbook. Page number 47 in your workbook, true or false. Read the sentence, find out whether this is true or false. That is homework for you. Now look at the next thing there. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. Let us see the fill in the blanks. Children, if you have read the lesson, we'll get the fill in the blanks very fast. So whenever I have told you, whenever I explain the lesson, please read the lesson one time. So it will be very easy for you to answer all the question answers, whether it is fill in the blanks, true or false or anything. Understood? Now let us see the question number 2, that is fill in the blanks. Now see, children, let us see the fill in the blanks. Let us continue here. Yes. Birbal digs a dash near his house for his grave. Birbal dig. What he dig? Ditch, right? He made a khadda. We said na, ditch is nothing but khadda or a big hole there in the mud. So Birbal digs a ditch. What we are going to write here? Ditch. Near his house for his grave. I will send dash to keep my father company. So Akbar is going to send whom? Yes, children, Birbal. So what is the answer here? Birbal. Birbal crawls through the dash and reaches his bedroom. When he made a ditch, he crosses through which? Or he crosses what? He crosses the tunnel. What he crosses? Tunnel. He crosses the tunnel and reaches his bedroom. Understood, children? After 6 months, with an overgrown dash and shabby hair, He goes to meet the emperor. Grown, overgrown what? Overgrown beard, right? दाढ़ी बोलते हैं ना, गड्ढा है तेरा ना कन्नड़ದಲ್ಲಿ. What is that? Overgrown beard and shabby hairs. So much of long hairs he had. So what we are going to write in the dash here? Beard. Okay. There is no dash in the heaven. There is no, who is not there in the heaven? If you remember what the Bible says, there is no barber in the heaven. Who is not there in the heaven? Barber. So this is the fill in the blanks, children. If you have read, so you can remember what are the words to be used in the fill in the blanks. Now next one, AI and AY words. Unjumble the following AI and AY words. That is homework, children. So please see, jumble the words. They have given you unjumble words. So make it a proper word which has a AI or AY letter in that. That is homework. Okay. Now let us see the next one here. Children, open page number 48. Open page number 48. Fill in the blanks using words given in the word list. They have given you the help box with AI words and AY letter words. So with that you have to fill in the blanks here. Understood? So now let us see here. Now see, children, here they have given you the help box. See in the help box, detail, AI letter, okay? Stay, AY letter. Explain, AI again. Spay, complaint, play, clay. So these are the words they have given you in the help box. Using this AI letters or AY letters, we have to fill in the blanks there. Now see here. We ask the teacher to dash the topic again. If you have any doubts, what you ask your teacher? Teacher, please explain. What you say? Explain. So what we are going to write here? Explain. AI letter. Understood? Explain the topic again. I will dash with my grandma during summer vacation. I will stay. I will stay. You stay with your grandparents when you go for summer vacation now. So stay. Stay is nothing but here we have AY letter. Stay. You must dash for what you buy at the store. When you go to buy notebook, when you go to buy something, what do? You pay. What you pay the amount? Now we say pay. What is that? Pay again. AY letter. We must pay for what you buy at the store. I am making dash models today. I am making clay. You know clay, na? You people play with the clays. So many class we make different shapes with the clay. So I make clay models. What it is? Clay models. Again we have AY letters. Clay models today. Next one here. E, F and G is homework, children. Homework. E, F and G. Page number 48. So look at the words from the help box and fill the proper AI or AY letters there. Understood? Now let us see the next word there. Compound words. I will explain you what is compound words. Fill in the blanks using compound or the options provided. They have given you the options there. Let us fill in the blanks with the proper compound word there. Now see, children, fill in the blanks with the proper compound word. See here, our city uses dash for water supply. What the uses for the water supply? Raindrop or rainwater. What our city use? Rainwater. What compound word we use here? Rainwater. Raindrops we don't use. Understood? When we store the rainwater, we use for the water supply. So what we write here? Rainwater. So this is correct. Rain, water. Understood? Next one. Every night my mother reads me a dash. Every night my mother reads me a what? Story time or storybook? Your mother reads for you storybook. What is correct here? Storybook. Storybook is again a compound word. Story book. The thieves must have entered through the dash. Back door or backbone? Backbone means what? The back side. We say that is backbone. The thieves must have entered from the back door. What is correct here? Back door. From the back door, the thieves have entered your house. Back door. He is India's most famous dash. Superstar or Superman? Superstar. We say Amitabh Bachchan is a Superman. No, no. Superstar we say. Dhoni is a superstar. Cricket man. We say superstar. What we say here? Superstar. This is all compound word, children. Superstar. When we join two different words, we get one word, that is compound word. Understood? Superstar. Next one here. E, F and G is homework, children. Again, homework. E, F and G. So please see which are the compound words which can suit the sentence there. E, F and G is homework. The next question is also homework, children. Make compound words using the following words. So they have given you one word, day. And what word you can use for that compound word? So you have to make another word. Day plus what will make one compound word. So page number 48, question number 2, that is make compound words using the following words. That is homework, children. Understood? So that's all, children. Today we have learned about AI and AY letter words and compound word and the activities from our textbook as well as workbook. Understood? Read the lesson. Please follow what are the instructions given and complete your homework. Understood, children? Okay. Thank you.